To season a cast iron skillet that's new, start by washing it with soap and water. Dry it thoroughly, then cover the skillet in a coat of vegetable or olive oil with a paper towel. Next, place the skillet in the oven for 2 hours at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Remove it from the oven and let it cool. Then, repeat the process 2 more times. Heating the skillet in the oven allows the oil to bake into it and create a strong, non-stick surface that won't strip off when you cook food. To maintain your seasoned cast iron skillet, wash it immediately after using it. Use your hand or soft cloth and a mixture of salt and water to scrub off any food particles. Never use soap or a tough sponge or brush on a seasoned cast iron skillet. This can scrape off the seasoning, damage the non-stick surface, and allow moisture to react with the metal and create rust. Next, dry the skillet completely. Place it over a burner set to low heat for a few minutes. When the water evaporates, finish by adding a thin layer of oil to the skillet with a paper towel. Alternatively, if you want to clean and re-season a rusty cast iron skillet, soak it in a solution of 1 part white vinegar and 1 part water for 3 hours. Rinse the solution off, then re-season the cast iron skillet as if you were seasoning a new skillet.